Apply my Silky Skin Makeup Primer under your base to help your skin look flawless all day. I love applying liquid bases with a brush because I just get that fantastic seamless finish and blending is super quick. Apply concealer on any area on the face that needs a little bit of evening out. So here I'm applying it under the eyes and on any blemishes, and then I'm blending it with a little brush to create that seamless finish. Using a little bit of my Invisible Veil loose powder will ensure that your base stays put all day. To give your complexion a little bit of a lift and add a little bit of glamour, why not pop a little bit of my Radiant Sheen Illuminating powder on any area you want to highlight. Applying a little bit of contour under the cheekbones and down the sides of the nose gives your makeup that wonderfully sculpted finish.